By the way, I met the author of this song, Four Strong Winds, some years ago, even before they were famous. That was Ian and Sylvia Tyson. I used to go over and jamming up with him in Yorkville years ago. And this is a British song, if I remember. I don't know the words.
What key do you want to play? D?
D.